Hi there. Early morning walk?
Yes, I do this every day.
That's great. What time do you wake up?
Around 5:30 a.m. You?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after walking?
I do some stretching, then drink green tea.
Healthy habits. I go for a light breakfast.
Cool. Have a great day.
You too.
Conversation 2 at beach. The breeze feels amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so relaxing. I love the sound of waves.
Do you come here often?
Not really, but today I had free time. You?
I come here when I need a break. It clears my mind.
I get that. The sea has some magic.
True, and the sand feels nice under the feet.
Do you swim?
A little. I mostly just sit and watch the sunset.
You have any beach snacks with you?
Haha, yeah, I have some chips. Want some?
Of course. I didn't have lunch.
Typical. Girls always forget food.
Hey, not my fault. Beach vibes took over.
Haha, alright, let's sit for a while.
Sure, the view's perfect.
Conversation 3 at home. Your house is so cozy.
Thanks. I cleaned it this morning.
Do you have tea or coffee?
I have tea, always. What about you?
I have coffee every afternoon. It's my energy booster.
You have a nice collection of books.
Yeah, my brother has even more upstairs.
Do you have pets at home?
I have a cat. She sleeps all day.
This sofa is super soft.
Haha, yeah, your mom has great taste in furniture.
You want snacks? I have cookies.
Say no more. I'm in.
Haha, help yourself.
Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.